Basil was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as a food. The benefits of this food, which comes to our tables by collecting all the benefits of the soil it is in, will not stop counting the benefits to our body, and a new benefit is discovered every day. Today, it can be included in many recipes in kitchens. This plant, which provides incredible benefits to our body when used as a supplement in the right amount and time, is good for almost all physiological problems. What are the benefits of basil consumption? How, when, and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a pinch of basil a day? Basil is also very rich in minerals that have important functions such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood. The blood sugar lowering effect of this nutrient comes from the plant compound folic acid. At the same time, when the pulp is consumed, the stomach swells and prolongs the digestion process. The high potassium and phosphorus it contains is very important for the prevention of diabetes. These substances are effective in breaking down proteins that cause glucose tolerance, especially individuals with blood sugar imbalance. After consuming their food, sugar particles that emerge from carbohydrates from inappropriate bonds to protein substances in the body. This process is called glycation in the health world. Thanks to the ingredients in basil, it reduces the risk of the glycation formation process. On the other hand, homocysteine is an amino acid measured in the blood. When this substance is high in blood tissue, it threatens the vessels and paves the way for heart diseases. Vitamin B9 in basil neutralizes excess homocysteine and protects vascular tissue, while the antioxidants in its content help reduce the plaque formation in the vessels. They have very important responsibilities for a healthy heart. A plant compound, especially in the stem part, reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. Basil against diseases. Consuming basil regularly is one of the easiest ways to get high amounts of preservatives and antioxidants into our body. This compounds helps the body fight against bacterial diseases by activating immune cells. The anti-inflammatory substances found in the stems of basil soothe the throat and relieves cough. The high vitamin C in it stimulates the production of white blood cells, which form antibodies that protects the body's immune system, creating a strong defense wall against bacteria. So, what are the harms of basil? First of all, the pulp in basil has the feature of cleaning the intestinal system, stomach, and digestive system. When consumed in excess and in excessive amounts, it negatively affects our digestive system. In addition, basil is among the substances that the health world currently uses. Therefore, it has the potential to interact with some medications. Consult your doctor before consuming basil regularly, especially if you have medications that you need to use constantly. So, how much basil should be consumed? Consumption of basil at regular intervals is very important. Consuming a pinch of basil every day will increase your health level. In the light of this information, you can add basil to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, stay well, stay informed.